Blessed be everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing an oracle card reading from the Gospel of Aradia deck by Stacey Demarco. It's a beautiful deck based on the story of Aradia. Very famous amongst witches. Before I do the reading though, I'm Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com, author of Crafting Your Wiccan Path. If you want to know more about Wicca and witchcraft and tarot, oracle readings, and also shadow work, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. If you want to know where to start your witchcraft practice, but you're kind of putting it off or floundering because you're just feeling overwhelmed, or you get on your broom and you fall off, and then you get back on again and you fall off, then take a look at my free video. It's called How to Start Your Witchcraft Practice. The link is in the description field below this video. So I'm going to shuffle the deck and see what guidance Aradia has for you today. Whenever you're watching this video, so it doesn't have to be the day it came out. You could come across this video 6 months from now and this will be your card. Let me know. It is the card called Ecstasy. What a beautiful card it is. This card is reminding you to tap back in to your sense of passion, to what it is that makes your heart sing. This could be being ecstatic, like practicing a form of ecstatic witchcraft, for example, using a lot of dance and a lot of music and drumming to really feel into that free energy. What is it that makes you feel free? What is it that makes you feel like you are alive, like you are you? What is it that is really floating your boat? Sometimes we forget to tap into who we are. We're so busy trying to stay alive. We're so busy trying to please everybody. We're so busy trying to look like we're a good person and fitting in and saying all the right things and believing all the right things that we lose ourselves. And it's kind of deliberate. We're kind of brought up that way to not be who we are. We're brought up to be automatons, essentially, and cogs in the wheel. And when we walk a mystical path or a witchcraft path, magical path, we have to start to learn who we are and start to walk our path. And this means tapping back into our passions, tapping back into who we are, what brings us joy, what really makes us feel like we are who we are. Who are we? What are we? And the ecstasy in finding that is amazing, really feeling that connection to yourself. And you can do this through dance, you can do this through singing, you can do this through playing an instrument. You can simply do this by going out into nature and really connecting with nature. But when I think of ecstasy and I look at this particular picture, she looks like she is throwing her arms up out into the world, and moving and using dance is a wonderful way to connect to that feeling of ecstasy. Get moving, get vibrating. Put on a piece of music that you absolutely love, that's uplifting for you. So not a piece that's you would use if you're wanting to have like a cathartic downtime or cathartic anger time, but music that makes you feel good, that makes you feel joyful and alive and happy with yourself in the world. And do some ecstatic dancing. I think that's really what you need today, or what somebody you know needs today. If you want to learn witchcraft with me, you certainly can. I have that 12-month course. It's called the Mystery Witch School 101 Academy. It is there to help you get started in your practice and to create a practice that connects you to you, that connects you to your divine self, helps empower you because you are connected to yourself and your practice, as well as connecting to nature and to the goddess and God and to magic as well. The link is in the description field below this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I am Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com. Blessed be.